Kubor Kabatisi TV. Lawan Rashapi dak Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong, Ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kendaila Shillong, bat ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po Shillong. One bantit ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai, kabas kem bat Bidor.
Ka 1st Meghalaya Police Battalion, haka Laipo Terik Urisau Arajar Arpo, kala Kenmau Burom, ya ki perlok pulit ki bala IT bat len ladi nagabenta kari haba pendem yala ka kamram haka jingelang rakhe ka bakerpang ka balalong hamauyong Japung baro shitayaw ka tanat pulit kala rakhe ya kani ka program ya ka bala tim kum ka police flag day ka bala sedang nado ka arpo waiterik Urisau Arajar Arpo bat bala penkot pan hadu ka Laipo Terik Urisau Arajar Arpo hakani ka jing rakhe kila don ki program bapher kum ka Yakob draw ha ka bala yashim benta da ki khina school jong ka 1st Meghalaya Police Secondary School but ha ka jing mare morthon ka bala yashim benta pan da ki pulen ha ka jing Yakob draw ulal rol wa sailo ulayo ra ya ka nam lado kat ba ka finisha el linkoy kala job ha ka kardan ka baar bat ka silna Mary R Marak kala job pan ya ka kardan ka balai Kadba ha kamare marthon ya ka kardan ka benengkong layo ra da uwashwa rembai kadba unishar wapung bad ukupar wansuk el nongrang kilapoy ha ka kardan ka baar bad ka balai da sakilang ru ha kani ka sngi da UMLA jong ka Maulai constituency uba PT Saukme ubalong ru ukongsan ha kani ka sngi harengkat ka jingedon lang jong ka commandant ka kong Claudia Lingwa kum ka sembot kongsan bad kiwei
For the last 2-3 months at the entry check gate in Banihat. There they work 24/7 and they have just been brought back to the battalion in the last 2 days. In these last 2 days, they were able to practice and present a very, very commendable performance. For that, my hats off to the commander of the band platoon and the entire band. After the creation of a separate state of Meghalaya, the 7th Assam Police Battalion was rechristened as the 1st Meghalaya Police Battalion in the year 1972. A number of original band personnel of Assam Police stayed back and thus were able to groom more manpower to set up the 1st MLP Battalion Pipe Band.
It is a privilege at the outset. This is the time of COVID-19 pandemic and famine that we are facing as a world, as a nation, and also as a state support. It is my duty to salute the doctors, the nurses, the paramedical staff, the health workers, and especially the police forces that you have worked so hard of maintain and make our people understanding that be at home unless you have some important emergency work in your duty. You have worked so hard for the last 7.5 months now, starting on 25 March 2020, that the lockdown have started at the beginning when Honorable Prime Minister ordered for the lockdown, that police forces, you have worked so hard. All of us, we staying at home. All of us that we sleep peacefully. But yourself, you on the road, are performing your duty. I salute for your hard work that you have given to the state, even to the nation as a whole. Police job, it is a very difficult job. A man of uniform is a man that everyone is respected. When you meet the police personnel, that is that a psychology in your mind, in your mentality, that you respect them. That's why when the police forces, it is there in duty. If it is in the traffic, if it is in any duty, everyone respect the police officer. Your job is a very tough job and disciplined job, and job that you have given the best of the best for the law and order. We are very much happy in the state of Meghalaya. Like Madam Choli said, that we're getting our own statehood, that is on the 21st June 1972. right from 1972. Do we face that? In short term, communal tension here and there, but overall, law and order is improved because the police RMLP battalion doing a good job to maintain law and order. Some of you while maintaining law or order for the last many years, even for the last 1 year, it is a fact, like Madam said, that way some of your relatives, some of your husband, some of your brother, sister, uncle, nephew, your loved one, your dear one, especially for those who are staying together, that your friend is no more because he was dead on duty. Some of the police personnel, they have sacrificed the life for the sake of the nation, and also on duty. Job of the police officer, like all he said, it is very difficult. In spite of that difficult, God has blessed you, has been with you, and I'm sure that even of difficulties, even of the law and order problem that turmoil in the state for a few years, even then that you control the law and order. Your job, main important, you have been transferred. We have 11 districts here in the state of Meghalaya. Some of you have been experiences of the 11 districts. Some of you have been here in Shillong. Some of you have been there in Gauros. Some of you have been posting in the area in the capital of Delhi, like Bihar, Madam already said, because of the election and others have been posting. Many of you have been posting, but your posting, I'm very much happy that you've done your job tremendously. Though you are new, people of Shillong, even Khasi, Jaidas and Gauros and others, you are from here. While posting in Bihar, we didn't feel like outsiders because we are Indian. Our country is India. We have every right to do our duty in any part of the country if duty called. In spite of the posting of your duty, I knew well that some of you on duty, they have died because of the some circumstances that you are facing. But even then, you do your job well and properly.